Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I am back with another video, and today I'm here to share my Halloween tag I got back from Tina Massey, who's Tina's Crafty Life, I think. I'm so used to with your name being the other way, Tina. I'm so sorry. Oh my gosh. Okay. I just... Hold on. Some stuff fell out. Oh gosh. Sorry. Okay, so here is the tag. How cool. Oh wow. Witches in. I love the, are these buttons? Oh, these are so cool. And this is from, yeah, this is from Kat, Perfectly Imperfect Crafts. Thank you, Kat. I love it. I love her boots. I love it. So that was from Kat, and I believe these goodies that fell out of the bag are from Tina. And look at this cute card. Adorable. I love how she did that, how she colored it in with that little mouse and the pumpkin. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. It says, thank you for participating in the Halloween tag. Be happy, be safe, be crafty, Tina. Thank you, Tina. Oh, and she put these goodies in here in this cute little trick-or-treat bag. I love it. Hold on, guys. Something's going on. Look at this. I'm going to put this in my journal that I made that I haven't completed. And then, oh, look how cute this bat is. And some stickers. Aw, this is really cute. I'm going to put them back in my little bag here. Thank you so much, Tina. I so appreciate it. Thank you, everybody, for watching. Thank you, Kat, for my awesome tag. This was an awesome swap. I really enjoyed this. I love this tag. This is going in my journal. So thanks, everybody, for stopping by today, and have a great Tuesday. Bye, guys.